So today we're going to talk about the Cloud Cuddle. If you go to our blog, which is at shannonfabrics.com/blog, you will find a blog that is all about Cloud Cuddle. It is double-sided. It is super soft. It is super lightweight. I will say that it is a napped fabric still.
It ruffles up
just like regular
and it lays
Cuddle.
flat.
But the cool part is the other side has the same thing, which is very, very luxurious. Right? So there's really some very fun variations. Like this is a super cute little kid one. And we've got the perfect one for a robe. And you'll notice that the back is always white. So the fabric is 3 millimeters on the front, 4 millimeters on the back. Sweatshirts are really kind of a thing that hoodies, that sort of thing. Robes, little loungewear, so really comfortable bits that you want to wear around the holidays. You could make matching robes for everybody in the fam. And with all of these different prints, you can find one that will actually fit the project that you're going for. Happy sewing.
Happy sewing.